Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a song called I'm Not Running Anymore. It was written and performed by John Mellencamp. Now, if you're a John Mellencamp fan, of course you'll know that he dominated the airways in the 80s. He also had a number of great albums in the 90s. I'm Not Running Anymore was a track off of his 1998 self-titled album, and it found a peak position of number 22 on the adult contemporary charts. So we're going to perform the song first, and then we're going to break down the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great John Mellencamp song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Told me, better give me a try. I said, Holly, there's no way. We don't even like each other all that much. We couldn't make it one more day. She said, you better look out, Buster. Next time you see me, you're gonna pay. Said, Holly, I'm not running anymore, but I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And I'm not running anymore. Got the circus clowns who like to fight. They got one black eye and bloody nose. They are the hoodlums of my third wife. Whatever I say, they will oppose. I try to teach those clowns something, like how to make it day to day. Said, hey you kids, I'm not running anymore, but I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And I'm not running anymore. Well, I look in the mirror, the hell has happened to me? Whatever I had has gone away. I'm not the young kid that I used to be, so I pull the hair back out of my face. That's okay, I knew this would happen, but I was hoping not today. Said, hey baby, I'm not running anymore, but I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm not running anymore.
Okay, let's break down the chords that you're going to need to know to get through this great John Mellencamp song. There are only 3, and they're all very, very easy. Let's have a closer look now. The first chord that you're going to need to know is a D. You're going to need to know a C add 9. And you're going to need to know a G chord. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and have a look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. away. We don't even like each other all that much. We couldn't make it one more day. The chorus. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And I'm not running anymore. And that's it. You basically go from the D to the C add 9 to the G, and you repeat it over and over again. Both the verse and the chorus have the same chord progression. Now, the only real trick that I do with this song is with the D chord and some variations to the D chord. I'm sure you heard them. I'm going to review that with you, although I admit for a beginner it's going to take a little bit of practice. You may choose to incorporate these variations or not. It's completely up to you. You can certainly get through the song just using the D chord. But because I play it that way, I want to make sure that you understand exactly how I perform it. Let's have a closer look at that now. Okay, the chord variations to the D. I use a D sus2 and a D sus4. Now, it happens quickly and it's quite subtle, but just enough to hear. It can be a little bit daunting if you're a beginner, but I'll take you through it. I'll try to slow it down and show you exactly what I'm doing. In my version, I'm basically starting on the D sus2. Can you hear that little change? So basically on the down strum is the D sus2. On the up strum, I'm on a D. But also when I do that up strum D, I hammer on my pinky finger to make the D sus4. And that's really it. That's it. Granted, it's a little complicated. I've just been playing it that way forever. So I wanted to make sure that you understood how it's played. With that said, there you have it. John Mellencamp, I'm Not Running Anymore. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.